Welcome back to this video. What if I told you that you can simply access your Google Chrome browse history from the home page without going through any stress? So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are already new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back to this video. Before you can have access to this particular new tool, what you need to do is to make sure you update your Chrome browser. If you don't know how to update the Chrome browser, follow this step. The first step you need to take is to come to the top right here, click on these three dots right here, and this is going to drop down. Simply scroll down right here and make sure you navigate to settings, click on that, and it's open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down and then come to about Chrome right here, click on that, and allow it to update, just like what you see right here. Google Chrome is up to date. Then from here, you can simply see how we can have access to those tools and be able to add our browse history into somewhere here in Chrome browser for easy access. So let's see. But the next thing you need to do is to come to the top right here, click on this plus to create a new tab. Having created a new tab, next thing you need to do is to come down below right here, click on customize Chrome. The next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down from the customize tab right here. Make sure you go to new tab. The next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down. Then right here you have your history right here. Next thing you need to do is to make sure you turn on this particular button. It's that simple. Then you come to the top right here. You have full access to your browse history. You can simply click on it. Then you have access to all the browse history you have been doing so far in your Chrome browser. Then from here, you can simply click on here, hide all items, remove all from history, or open all in a new tab to see how best you can manage your browse history in Chrome browser. It's that simple. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Chrome browser. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.